Satanic Panic in the 80s, Fear, Folklore, and False Accusations. Sentiments change and threaten mainstream thoughts. Alternative desires can go in unexpected directions. It turned out not to be satanic, but some major human trafficking rings did involve what used to be the service nobility. From the 80s to the Obama era, certain things were said, and it turned out to be even worse than what was said. Tenfold, maybe even 100-fold as bad as it was. But the evidence of some satanic cult involved in some of these things that involve celebrities and politicians, that's sort of lacking. Although there are groups that just seem to be social clubs, the devil would be beyond the conceptions of any one particular demon. Role play can cause a break in real life consequences. Music was largely a devilish competition with religion. Questioning children should not be to encourage them to state weird or horrible things. You tell the kid, oh, I want you to tell me about this. And you notice when the questions like that are asked, you know, they're more likely to come up with a story. No one could ever be locked up without proof. There were people locked up 20 something years without proof. Just people said stuff that couldn't be substantiated, but they convicted them and locked them up anyways. And, it could have taken months or a year or whatever sometimes to release people after they figured out that it wasn't true. The general issues with family will produce people who are vulnerable and predators who want to gain control. And what is this last statement here? Oh, something doesn't solve the issues. Well, deflecting from things doesn't. Oh, diversion is the word that I use.